This is Paula. Paula is a 7-year-old Rhodesian Ridgeback Lab mix. Hey, sweeties, you want a treat? You do like your treats, don't you? I know. Good babies. So she is recommended in a household with some older kids, so 13 and up, because she is older and she's getting a little bit weaker in the back end and might not like, too much overhandling by smaller kids. Hey, sweeties. Yeah. Huh, Paula? Yeah. You want a treat? You want to smell, don't ya? You want to go smell things? Yeah. You want to go check things out? This is about her normal stroll speed right here. So she'll still very mobile. She'll go for smaller strolls with you, but no extended long walks. She just likes to get out and sniff things, get some stimulation. She is a big girl. She's about 101 pounds. Paula came in as an owner surrender. Her real name when she came in was Pup, P-U-P, which wasn't very descriptive, so we named her Paula. Yeah.